Shine bright up all night. We're never slow.
Hello everyone, this is a very quick and easy sharp hot pink eyeshadow look. If you are wearing a hot pink colored attire, then please give this eyeshadow look a try. There's no much blending in this eyeshadow tutorial. If you are interested in knowing how to get this step by step, then please continue watching. The links to the products used here will be in the description box below. If you are interested in purchasing any, then check the description box below. I'm using a very small palette from Nika K and picking this pink eyeshadow. This is a very pigmented pink eyeshadow. I'm using pack 383 brush and outlining my outer V. Be very careful here. This wave shape is very important for your eyeshadow look to seem beautiful. Take your time and get that wave shape right and begin filling your outer V. Slowly, after covering your outer V, pull a line towards your crease, move towards your crease and draw a line here. You don't have to be precise here, just draw a line. I'll clear the excess using concealer. After applying a line, begin cleaning using the concealer. The excess is what you're supposed to erase off and keep a very thin line. Pull the mid concealer towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V. Pull only the mid concealer to blend it with the outer V. Next, I'm using this pink eyeshadow and applying it on my eye mid. Next, I'm using this shimmery eyeshadow from the palette and covering the remaining space here. Blend both the shimmery eyeshadows well, pushing the eyeshadows towards each other. Next, I'm using this brown shimmery eyeshadow and applying it here because the mid applied seems same as the matte eyeshadow. To deepen the outer V, I have used a shimmery brown eyeshadow. Next, I'm using a liquid concealer to highlight the shimmery eyeshadows applied. I'm using an eyeliner wand. The wand that comes with liquid eyeshadow is different from liquid eyeliner wand. Take liquid eyeliner wand, clean the excess and place little on the tip, just here, exactly here, and begin drawing the line. You will be able to achieve it easily. That way it is going to be easier for you to create. And after creating, begin drawing a winged eyeliner. After creating winged eyeliner, I'm creating pointed inner corner. This shapes your eye and your eye look seems very beautiful after creating pointed inner corner. After coating kajal on waterline, I'm smudging it on my lower lash line using pink eyeshadow. The kajal should seem smudged and eyeshadow traces also should be visible, pink eyeshadow traces. Next, I'm coating mascara on my eyelashes. Move the wand in upward directions and when on applying lower lashes, hold the wand vertically. This way individual eyelashes are targeted and the eyelash application on lower eyelashes is easier. I'm using this foil to highlight my brow bone. A very beautiful foil from Swiss Beauty and apt to highlight brow bone. And it's done. This is the final look. If you like this tutorial, then please consider subscribing my channel for more such tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.